so important for me when it comes to thinking about who I'm going to work with, how I'm going to work with, and how I approach, different clients and different brands that I engage with. It's so important for me to have my kind of set process as to what I use to consider whether or not I'm going to be doing anything with them. And it's also very simple for me. Do I believe in it? Is it authentic to the person that I am? Is it something that, if it's a product, I would actually go out and buy and actually engage with? And does it speak to where I'm trying to go? And it needs to answer those things. And then kind of also in another way, if that's a little bit on the fence, how will it benefit anyone else? That's another arm, depending on what it might be. Is it benefiting a group of people apart from me? Is it actually going to be something that people can take from and improve or have more opportunities? That's another great plus. But if there's one no or too many no's when it comes to all those questions I ask myself, then I step away from it, because then I know I'm not being true to who I am. And there's a couple brands, a couple types of things I know I won't engage in because it's not who I am. I'm not a smoker, for example, and nor do I want to promote the selling of actual cigarettes and the culture of smoking cigarettes. And nothing against smokers, each to their own. For me, it would be very, very disingenuous to then be able to back a big tobacco brand. And so I always try and make sure that I don't. I just don't at all. In any kind of capacity. I've had them in the past try and offer sponsorships for things that I was starting, and they giving a great deal of money that was going to be able to change lives for a couple of people, and for me to be able to execute this even better. But then what the play is. The play is the association. The play is then the promotion of, if we align with this person, then more people will believe in us even more, and hopefully we can tap into that person's market to engage in it. And I've also just got too many young people I know who follow and focus on a lot of what I want to do. And I always want to be as positive as possible in being someone to be able to look to. And I want to be able to leave something that is both aspirational but attainable, but also that I feel is what will be best for what you can extract from your life in the best way possible. So I'll put those kind of rules in for myself. I've been offered tons of money to do that kind of thing. Oh no, don't smoke, just hold the box, put it on the table. You don't have to smoke and everything. Just, it's nice to know that people, will look at it and be like, oh, so that's a brand that he, loves and will pay you X amount, but a lot of X amount. And for me, in my mind, it's people also aren't stupid, and they can see right through that, and they know when you are being untruthful or disingenuous. And so that X amount, I know I'll be able to find in all sorts of different ways that align with who I am and what I believe in, and where I stand and what I stand for. And if I do take that X amount, it's actually going to cut all the pathways for all the possible X amounts to come, because then, it's you're suddenly this person who you're not. And it's very, very easy to see.